The Fantasy Ranger, the quintessential fantasy adventurer. Known for their prowess in stealth, hunting, combat, they have taken over our pop culture on many different levels and formats. In books, movies, television, and RPG games. The fantasy adventure is my favorite class to dress up as, cosplay, adventure, camp with, because you can really get so much out of what we call the Ranger kit, Garb. So strap in and let's explore my Fantasy Ranger kit and Garb. Greetings, adventurers. Today we're going to break down the Ranger, or at least my Ranger kit as I have it right now. Now, we're not going to be breaking down very much camping equipment or food, things like that in this episode, but we will be doing something like that soon. Let's just break down what it is that I'm wearing and why. Alright, let's start from the ground up first. I am currently wearing my waterproof medieval shoes. These are from Amazon, but I waterproofed them with Snow Seal. Next up, I'm wearing wool socks under that. They're hand knitted for me by my mom. Then we have these Viking leg wraps, or winning gas. These are also from Amazon. You can get these for super cheap or cut them out yourself. They just help with heat retention for me, heat circulation, and they kind of give that medieval silhouette of high boots, which isn't entirely historically accurate, but that's not what this video is about. Next, we have my walnut dyed trousers. I dyed these myself. You can find the video for that here. And yeah, these are super warm, super nice, super effective. I really like them. Next up, we have this linen tunic. This is an under tunic. I got this for my birthday. It's super nice. It is the perfect thing for an under tunic. Next up, we have my wool over tunic. It's green. It is made from merino, Australian merino wool. I got this while I was in Australia. Then, next up, we have this hood in green. It's super nice. I got this from the Ren Fair many years ago, and it has served me very well. Next up, we have this cloak. This is just a square of green cloth. It replaced the wool blanket that there's a video about. I got it from Amazon, the wool blanket, and this is replacing it because that wool blanket is just too thick, too heavy for the kind of Ranger garb that I'm using. I'm actually using it for my bedroll, which is right here. So this is the blanket that I have a video about somewhere in the corner. Next up, let's go to the belts. Well, or what I have around my waist. First up, we have this buckskin leather, so buckskin satchel. This is really nice. It just helps me carry things around. Usually I'd have more pouches on me, but I don't currently have them on. We have this braided belt with a bronze buckle. And we have this thinner belt with this small belt utility knife. And we have my large Viking sacks. We interrupt this program to implore that no jokes will be made about what word the name of this knife may or may not sound like. Please and thank you. Alright. Back to the video. Giving that Ranger's Apprentice vibe with the sacks and the throwing knife. Not that I think throwing knives are extremely effective. Next up, we have these military grade gloves. They're in green and gray, so I thought they looked nice. The rest of the kit. And pretty much finally, for what I have right now, is this custom arrow quiver. I made this myself. We'll have some close-ups here. It's made from a toy leather back scabbard from Nova Natural that I then stitched a arrow sock to go through. That carries my arrows so I can do some archery. This is my Ranger kit. Now it's still a work in progress, but this is pretty much what I will be wearing on the next camping trip that me and my friends will be going on. Thank you all so much for watching. Please like, share, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, all that YouTube stuff. And until next time, farewell.